Hello everyone and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. In today's lesson, we'll introduce the ordinal numbers. Let's see what's the difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers. We use cardinal numbers to count things. It tells us how many things we have. While we use ordinal numbers to put things in order and create a sequence. Let's repeat again. We use cardinal numbers to count things, and we use ordinal numbers to put things in order. Before we carry on, let's have a look at these 4 points. When a number ends with 1, we will use at the end the ST. For example, first. When a number ends with 2, we will write it with ND. For example, second. When a number ends with 3, we will write it with RD. For example, third. Last one, when a number ends with 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we use TH at the end. For example, fourth or fifth or sixth. Let's repeat these rules once again. When a number ends with 1, we will write it with ST. When a number ends with 2, we will use ND. When it ends in 3, we will use RD. And when it ends in 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will use TH. Now let's repeat together this number from the 1st to the 10th. Let's begin. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Once again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let's now put these numbers in context with some examples. I live on the first floor. You are the second on the queue. He is the third son. May is the 5th month of the year. My sister is in 8th grade. Sunday is the 7th day of the week. Very well done, everybody. Thank you for your support. Do not forget to click on the link below for your exercise and to like and subscribe, and I will see you in our next lessons. Bye!